Hello student, welcome back to maths class. Topic number 8, subtopic 8.6, prime and composite number. Prime and composite number. First, prime number means what? Prime numbers means what? Those numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. The number itself. Such numbers are called prime numbers. Okay. See, which is a prime number? 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, but 1 is a natural number, but 1 is not a prime number. One note is there. Number 1 is not a prime number and composite also. See, prime numbers 5, 2, 3, 5, 7. It is also prime number. 2 have only two factors. See, 1 2s are 2 1s are. Not any one table have 2. Any one table have 2 is there? No, na. So you call that prime number. 3 is also same. 3 1s are 1 3s are. 5 is also same. 1 5s are 5 1s are. 7 also same. 1 7s are 7 1s are. Understand? Okay. Now, prime number you understand na? And number 1 is not a prime, not only prime, composite also. And composite numbers means what? Composite numbers means what? Numbers have more than two factors. This number called as composite number. Okay. See, which number? Example 4. 4 have how many factors? 1 4s are, 2 2s are, 4 1s are. See here, which factor? 2 1 2 4. More than 2. You call that composite number. 6 also. 1 2 3 6. More than 2 na, more than 2 factors is there. You call that composite number. Okay, all of you understand na? There some note is there. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. nor composite number. Second one, 2 is the smallest even prime number, smallest even prime number, and 3 is the smallest odd prime number, odd prime number. Understand? All of you understand? Now open the page number 110. Open the page number 110. Circle the prime numbers on the 1 to 100 numbers board. Follow the instruction. First we read here instruction. Shaded box containing 1 is a neither prime nor composite. Circle 2 is a cross out all of the multiples of 2 up to 100. 2 up to 100. Circle 3 and cross out all the multiples 3 up to 100. 3 up to 100 means here is given 3's multiplies, 2's multiplies also. Understand? Circle 5, cross out all the multiples of 5 up to 100. Circle 7 and cross out all the multiples of 7 up to 100. Circle the numbers that are left out. All the numbers are circled are prime number, and all crossed number are composite number. Means which is the prime number, you circle there. 2's multiplies, 3's multiplies, which is a cross there. 2's multiplies number is also composite number. 3's multiplies number is also composite number. 5's multiplies also composite number. 7's multiplies also composite number. And all are their prime number. See, 2 is a prime number. 3 also prime. 4 is a composite. Why 4 is a composite number? 4 have how many factors? 1, 2, 4. More than 2. 5 prime. 6 composite. 7 prime. 8 composite. 9 also composite. 10 also composite. 11 prime number. 12 composite. 13 is coming in any table? No, only 2 factors is there, 1 and 13. 14 also composite. 15 composite. 16 composite. 17 is coming in any tables? 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, any one table is there? No. So 17 also prime. 18, there are how many factors? 2, 3, 4, 6, 9. So many factors are there. So 18 is a composite. 19 is any table? No. 19 have how many factors? Only 1 and 19. Only 2 factors. So prime. This one is a composite. 21 composite. 22 composite. 23 have how many factors? Which multiplies this one? 23. 2's multiply? No. 3's multiply is there? No. 5's multiplies? No. 7's also no. So 23 is a prime number. 24 composite. 25 composite. 26 composite. 27 composite. 28 also composite. 29 coming in any table? This is a prime number. 30 is a composite. 31. 31 is a prime या composite? Prime number. 32 composite. 33 composite. 34 composite. 35 composite. 36 composite. 37 is a prime number. 38 composite. 39 is a, see here, 1 is their factor. Then 13 3 is a 39 na? So 1 39 39, so this one is a composite. 14 also composite. 41 coming any table? This is also prime composite. 43 is a prime composite. 3 table have 47? No. So 5 table also no. 7, this is a prime. This is also composite. Understand how to come? 51 to 100 you write. Okay. 51 to 100 you write here. Now list the prime numbers between 10 and 20. See here, 10 and 20s. List 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Right there. 2, 3, 5, 7, then 11, 13, 17 and 19. 20 to 40 you observe here, right? 40 to 60 also you observe that question and write. 60 to 80. 60 is a composite. 61 is a prime. 62 composite. 63 composite. 64 also composite. 65 also composite. 66 also composite. 67 is a prime number. 68 also composite. 69 is also composite. 70 also composite. 71 is a prime number. 72 composite. 73 is a prime. 74 composite. 75 composite. 76 also composite. 77 also composite. 78 also composite. 79 coming in any table? No. So 79. Understand? All of you understand now how to write? Prime numbers 20 and 40 also you write there. Okay. Next one 40 to 60 also you write there. And then 80 to 100 also you write there. Now question number 3. Circle the composite numbers. 2 is a composite. 9 also composite. 39 also composite. 44 also composite number. 7 is a prime. 33 also composite. 75 composite. 89 coming in any table? No. 19 64 sorry, 89 is a composite prime number. 89 is a composite prime number. Prime number is there. Okay, what they want? Only composite number. 19 also prime number. 64 composite. 80 composite number. 88 composite number. 99 composite number. 79 also prime composite prime number. 29 prime number. This one line is your homework. Question number 4. Take the correct option. The smallest prime number. 2 is a smallest prime number. Tick there 2. The smallest odd prime number. 135, which is a odd number. 135 also odd number, but 1 is a neither prime nor composite number, so 3 is a smallest odd number. The smallest composite number is a 4. There are dash dash prime numbers altogether between 1 to 100. 1 to 100, how many prime numbers? You count there and then you write the answer. Okay. The greatest prime number between 1 to 100 is a which number? 97. 97. Which number? 97. Understand? List the prime numbers between 100 to 200. 101, 103, 107, 109, 113, 127, 131, 133. You also write that one. Okay. You see there and write there. Okay. All of you understand now? Prime number, composite number. Prime number means what? Given number is not in any table. And composite numbers means they have 2 and more factors. 2 and more factors is there. Now 8.7 prime factorization. Prime factorization means what? Is to write numbers as a product of its prime factorization. Prime factors. See how to do. There are two methods. One is a standing line method and one is a like a tree. You write there like a tree. Understand? Now see. Prime factorization. How to write the prime factorization? First one number given you. 78. Okay. You write here in a standing line. Method 1. We used here. Method 1 repeated division. Okay. This one is the first method. 78. In front of 78, write there standing line and use there. 78. First prime number which? 2. 78. Ones have 8. You used here condition of divisibility. We used here condition of divisibility. Ones have 8. 8 is in a 2, means there 2 is a factor is there. 2 3s are 2 9s are. Okay, now ones have 9. 9 coming into table, no, so 2 is a not here, is a factor. Next one, 3 plus 9 3, after 2 which is the prime number? 3. 3's formula what? Condition what? Given number plus there and that comes in, that answer comes into the 3 table. 3 plus 9 12, 12 coming also 3 table. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. Next one, 13 is a prime number. They have only 2 factors, 1 and 13. So 13 ones are 13. We got here answer 1. Now we stop here. Next one. Here, how to write the prime factorization? Here write prime factorization of 78 is equal to 2 3 13. 2 3s are 6, 6 13s are 78. Understand? Now next one, which is the procedure there? Method 2, building factor tree. We call that factor tree. How to do? 78 right here. 2 39s are here. Also used a condition, same procedure, but you write here in standing form, here you write in a tree. 3 13s are, and next one 13 ones are. Here also write that type. Prime factorization of 78, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. Understand? All of you understand? Next one, second one example we learn here. 540. 540 write in a repeated division. 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 0s are. Next one, 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 5s are. Next one, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 3 also is here. 3 4s are 12, 13 minus 12 1, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Understand? Now we built here factors tree. 540 to 270. 270 is factor tree. To 135. 135 is factor tree. 3 and 45. 45 is factor tree. 3 and 15. 15 is factor tree. 3 5s are 15 and 5's factor tree is there. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Now how to write prime factorization? Prime factorization. See, 540 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. This is so easy when you do with the factor tree. we write in a with a long distance, and here also write 2, here 2, 3. First one on number only write on prime factorization. Okay, here before line number you write in a factors. This is a factor and this is a your division, repeated division, so you write only that one factors. Okay, all of you understand na? Now open your textbook, page number 112. 112. See, find the prime factors given the number. Solve in your notebook. Solve in your notebook. Okay. First one. This one also write page number first. Page number 112. Write their question. Then first one given 32. Write 32. 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 is remaining and 2 is take down. 2 6 are 12. Now also 2. 2 8s are 16. Now also 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Next one 2 1s are 2. 32's prime factorization which 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. Understand? Here you got the prime factorization. 68. 68. 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 7s are 14. Next one 17. 7 plus 1 8. Not coming in 3 table. Then 5 table, 4 table also 17 no. 5 table also ones have 7 not coming. Then 6 no. 7 also not coming. 17 is a prime number. See, 17 is a prime number. So 17 ones are 17. Right here prime factorization. Prime factorization of 68 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 17. Understand? C1 96. Write the 96. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 6 are 2 3s are 3 1s are. Here write prime factorization of 96 is equal to 2 multiplied by 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 3. Okay. D, E, F, G, H is your homework. Okay. We solve here G and H. G and H here. I solve here. Okay. This is your homework. Next one. HCF of prime factorization. Next one what? Next topic. HCF of 8.8. HCF by prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. See, one example we learn here. 65 and 91. 65 and 91. First, we find out here first one's factors, then second one numbers factor, then common factor we find out, and then we got their HCF. Okay, see here how to do. 65. Here 5 plus 6, 11. 11 is coming in 3 table? No. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 is not coming 3 table. 1 side also 5 means you use here 5. We first take 5's prime number. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. Then next one 13 ones are 13. Next one 91. 91 is a 9 plus 1 10. 91 which table coming? Which table coming? 91. 13 sevens are 91 na? 7. 7 13s are 91. 13 ones are 13. Here we first step what you want? Common factor. Common factors 65 and 91 is equal to, which is the common factor? First we write here 65's factor which 5 multiplied by 13 and 91's factor is 7 multiplied by 13, which is the common factor? 13. So HCF of 65's and 19's is equal to 13. Okay, all of you understand? Now next one example I take here. 48, 60 and 32. See here, first one number 48. 48's first we did here factorization, prime factorization. 2. 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 48's factor which? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, next one 60. Ones have 0. What is the condition of 2? Ones place have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, any one number coming. 2 3s are 6, 2 zeros are 0. 2 15s are 30. Now 5 plus 1 6. What is the 3's condition? Given number plus there and that number comes into the 3 table. 3 5s are 15. Next 5 ones are 5. Here 60s. What is the factor? 60s is there? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Next one 32. 2 ones are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. 32's what is the factor is there? 5 times repeated 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay. Now here which is the common factor in 3 numbers? First one 2, second one 2 and 2 is there? Here not. Here also 2. 3 is only 2 numbers repeated, not there 3. Okay. Now see What is the next step? You write here common factors 48, 60 and 32's 2 multiplied by 2, and so HCF of 48, 60 and 32's is equal to 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Highest common factor, highest common factor, you call that highest common factor. Understand? Okay. Open the page number 113. Right there, page number 113. Page number 113. Right here. Question first. Question first. And first one number. Okay. 36 and 18. 36 and 18. Right here. 36 factor. 2 ones are 2. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. How do I write this? You use here these one condition. You biheated their conditions. See, this one condition I used here. This one condition of divisibility we used here for the factors. Understand, this condition you biheated, you solve this one easily. Next one 18. Ones have 8 means 2 is factor there. 2 nines are 3 threes are and 3 ones are. Here you write, if you don't, you forget the right common factor, that type, what you write? HCF of 36 and 18, but you write there factors of 36, factors of 18. 36 factor what? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and 18's 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 2 is a common and 3 is a common. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. Is equal to 6. You got their answer. HCF of 36 and 18 is equal to 6. Next one. B1. 25 and 50. 25 and 50. 25's 5 5's are 25, 5 1's are 5. 50, 2 25's are, next 5 5's are, 5 1's are. Now also factors of 25 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5, and factors of 50 is equal to 2 5 multiplied by 5. Here write HCF of 25 and 50 is equal to which common? 5 5. Next one 5 is equal to 25. 25. Understand? All of you understand now how to come? Okay. C1. 150 and 300. 150 and 300. Right here 150. 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 fives are 7 plus 5. 12. 3 twos are 6. 3 fives are 15. 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5. Same as it is 300. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0 right as it is. Here 2 75s are, 3 25s are, 5 5s are 25 and 5 ones are 5. Here write factors of 150 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Factors of 300 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Here HCF of 150 and 300 is equal to, first 2 is common, right there 2. Next 3 and 3 is common, multiply there 3. Next one 5 multiply the 5. Next one also 5 is common there. This one also common there, na? Right there. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150. Understand? Okay. Now, see here. D1 also we solve here. E1 also we solve here. F, G, H is your homework. F, G, H is your homework. Now, we completed here factors and multiples topic. Factors and multiples topic. Okay. Next video we learn here basic geometry. Basic of geometry. Then our portion is completed. We take a revision. Okay. Thank you.